Hello there friends, good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm out here at the Filtrim event, Battle of the Band. I'm heading inside, but before I head inside, I just met Dwight, one of my blood, I would say. A man whose father is Jamaican. He's an American, just like my son Alex. And incidentally, Alex at one time wear his locks.
Oh, yeah?
So yeah, that's the name of my son. So so today I just so fortunate that I've met Dwight while I'm heading inside. Had a chance to talk about you know, Jamaican food and such alike. You know, so for me today's a special day, meeting Mike. I mean, meeting Dwight. Hey, and forget that I slipped up calling Dwight Mike.
Yeah,
he's a triplets, and so I guess the parents try to distinguish the names by you know, calling one a nickname. All of us as Jamaican have a nickname. It so happened that my nickname was Al, which born from my middle name, Alexander. So
they all called us Durbin.
Oh, that's interesting.
So my dad's name was Durbin, and because it was three of us, nobody wanted to figure out which name to say.
Right.
They called everybody Durbin.
Oh, that. So in that case, how do you identify yourself? How do you know?
Well, you know, people, we tend to look different little things. Like my brother has a little scar, so they tend to look for those little things. But they'll just say Durbin. Oh, they call us triplet.
That's it. That's interesting.
Yeah. They keep it simple.
So my friend Dwight is a true Jamaican. He even wear his flags. I didn't bring my flag today, which I should have. I have a Jamaican sleeve. Today I'm wearing an American sleeve. Now I felt bad I didn't bring my my Jamaican sleeve, which is perhaps, well, I left my laptop home. It's in my laptop bag. But today's an American event that I met a Jamaican buddy.
Jamaican buddy at American event.
Yes, there you go.
Funny how things work out.
Absolutely. But Dwight, it's a pleasure meeting my friend. Alrighty. Until next time.
Drop that shit.
How's everybody doing today?
So my friend, I'm out here enjoying the Battle of the Band. Of course, I cannot take their numbers because would be copyright, but I'm out here having really a great time.
Let's say the thing.
So my friends, it's all kind of goodies here at this event. This is a food truck with a huge seafood menu. I'm not ready yet, but when I get something, you'll be the first that I share it with. So my friends, as I mentioned, here I am. Lots of goodies going on. Lot of goodies here today. Today this is a adornment by Amanda's costume jewelers out at Filtrim. These are neighborhood events, so I can tell you how thrilled I am to be out here today. This is an attempt also to meet folks who might be interested in buying or selling real estate. This is the absolute goal today, and so that's the reason why I'm at this event. Meeting a few folks. While trying to find some business. What a bit for this to come in your neighborhood on the home stretch. So my friends, this is a great conversation I had with Amanda Scherer, the owner of Adornment. She's out of Winter Haven, with a email address, AmandaHera94@gmail.com. Great costume jewelry. They take great care and source the kind of metal used, sterling silver, the purest possible for those that may be allergic to certain kind of metal. Amanda, of course, can be found on Facebook or SD. Amanda Scherer here at Filtrim Bottle of the Band. So what am I doing, my friends? So my friends, I'm learning how to throw a hatchet for the first time. Get a load of this.
Alright, so you're gonna have to put that stuff down.
Okay, all right, let's get this down.
Alright.
All right.
When it comes to throwing, it's very simple.
Okay.
Put your left foot all the way up to the white line.
All right.
Draw your right foot pointing
Okay, at the target.
that back heel up off the ground. So that way-
Okay, so,
yeah, there we go. Straight out.
okay,
Rock back.
okay,
Take this part of the axe and rest it on your shoulder like so.
okay. Like here?
Or like here.
Okay,
Alright? Point your elbow at the target.
okay, my elbow at the target.
Yep, so bring that elbow up as high as you can.
Up here?
Like
Oh,
this.
up
There
here.
we go.
Okay,
Hand here.
okay,
Alright? Now, all you're going to do is you're going to lean back all your weight back onto that front foot.
okay.
Alright? And flick your wrist. You're close.
I bombed out, my friends. That is a foul. Thank you very much, my friend. I appreciate it. The hatchet couch, telling you. That's it. So my friends decided to sample something here from the food truck, ton of seafood. I just finished breakfast, so all I can manage is some sides. So as I mentioned, I'm going to be sharing with you whatever I'm getting. So I'm going to have the fish
the fish?
Yes, side. Are they croquettes or are they just fish sticks or?
No, it's actually a fish. So we have swamp, but it's like it's a pretty nice size.
Okay.
It's like it's cut in half. It's a cut in half size.
Okay, good deal.
Would you like that?
Yes, that's what I'll have.
Would that be all for you?
That would be all for me. Thank you. So I'm having the swai again. All right, and this is called the Keisha crabs and soul food seafood.
Okay, so I'm sorry about that, about the fish. So I was incorrect. We're gonna give you the whole fish.
You give me a whole fish?
Yeah, whole fish.
Like a whole fish with the head and all?
No, not the whole.
No, I'm a Jamaican by birth, so I would be okay too. All right, good deal. So my friends, as promised, I got my swai. You're gonna say fish again? Okay, so here we are. Look at that. I know I can't finish it. There are no sides. This is a side, as a matter of fact. I decided to have a little bit of fish, a little bit of protein. I call this a early or late lunch. So I'm gonna dig in. I may have to take the rest with me, although my hands are full. I know you're gonna say, man, he's eating again. It's every time you ever find me, I'm eating. But food is life. So there's a little hot sauce here. And this looks like a little remoulade, a little bit of remoulade. All right. Let's do a little squeeze of lemon. All right. And before I take a bite, you get the first bite.
Oh, I gotta find out where I'm at. I'm no dog, no. Everybody will. called meringue, Colorado. Meringue, you drink that underneath. So that's going to kill from the inside, or styrene. Not that much. But you got to use
Yummy. I had a feeling I want to finish this thing.
Oh, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. Or you can have the other one too. The styrene is a lot better. Not a pencil. Or you, and then you use that. I think the release that. After that, you're gonna run out. You pick baby oil or hot cooking oil, and it's gonna go out. Automatic.
It's delicious.
Automatically it's gonna go out. It's the sun. This is a different rate up north. It's not the same thing. You think it is?
Wherever there's food, you'll find me.
Water gone. Don't need that back. Because what happens? Your body is getting used to the
Delicious.
water. And once you ignore, goes to the back. You get worse. People don't understand. I've only been here, 6 months?
So far today, I've made about 8 contacts, with a few more to go. Following the leads from my business today. Today is a good day.
Really strong. You will never come back. Forget what happened to the immune system. Have a hole, right?
For the first time being here in Florida, I am feeling what it is. I'm feeling the humidity. Today is thick. I can't tell you how many times I use my handkerchief to dehydrate my bald head. That's it. I did finish after all. From this point, very light dinner for me. So my friends, this will wrap it up. Thanks for coming along with me. There was not a lot of activities, but I did run into quite a few folks, which was the objective for today. Until next time, this is Jamaican and Move, saying one love. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Until then, love you, my friends. Peace.